Hi, it's Angeline here. I know sequins and shaker cards are kind of trending right now, so today I'm going to show you a fun way on how to make a faux shaker card without all the bells and whistles. So for this stamp, then colored this one crazy bird stamp, which is so cute. And I'm grabbing some Ariel Unity sequins here, which is so pretty. Just check it out. And I've already die cut some white cardstock with this circle die here from Cat Scrappiness. It is the double stitch circle die set. And what I'm going to do here is to place it onto my card base, grabbing a pencil here to mark out where the circle is so I know where to ink up the background using some Holtz Distress Oxide inks. So I'm gonna create a gradient of colors here. You don't have to ink the entire background because you only want the see-through portion of the circle. So I'm using shaded lilac, cracked pistachio, and squeezed lemonade for the colors. And then you can place your circle just to make sure the colors are okay. And before that, I'm going to washi up my entire border using some gold washi tape from MAMBI. Once that's done, I want to take the circle again and my pencil and just mark out the base of the circle where it is going to be, so I can use my sequins to line that against where the edge is to create my faux shaker card. So just imagine as though you're making a shaker card, so where all the sequins will fall at the base, that is what we're creating here. So I'm using the Thermoweb mixed media adhesive here to adhere all the sequins to my card, and just starting off with the larger sequins at the bottom and filling in all the spaces with the tiny ones. In between, you can take your circle die cut and match it against your card to make sure all the sequins are in place, pretty and nice. Once you're happy with it, put some foam adhesive to the white cardstock and just adhere it to your card base. And then I'm just adhering the crazy bird as well and adding more sequins to the card, and that's it. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!